Hello and welcome. Today we're going to explore the remarkable way the Quran described the solar system over 1400 years ago, well before modern science confirmed these truths. First, let's quickly review the Ptolemaic model. In the 2nd century, Ptolemy, a Greek astronomer, proposed a geocentric model where Earth was at the center of the universe, surrounded by concentric spheres carrying the planets and stars. However, this model couldn't fully explain the complicated movements of the planets. To address this, Ptolemy introduced epicycles, smaller orbits within larger ones. While this was an attempt to account for the motions, it still left many questions unanswered. In the 16th century, Nicholas Copernicus proposed a heliocentric model, placing the Sun at the center of the solar system with Earth and other planets orbiting it. Though simpler, this model also had its challenges and faced resistance, particularly from the Church. Copernicus still relied on circular orbits, but Johannes Kepler in the 17th century discovered that planets move in elliptical orbits, not perfect circles. Kepler's 3 laws of planetary motion changed our understanding of the solar system. Kepler's first law: planets move in elliptical orbits around the Sun. Kepler's second law: a line from a planet to the Sun sweeps equal areas in equal time intervals. Kepler's third law: the square of a planet's orbital period is proportional to the cube of its distance from the Sun. These laws were groundbreaking, but here's the most fascinating part. The Quran described these celestial motions 1400 years ago, long before Kepler, Copernicus, or Galileo. In Surah Anbiya 21:33, Allah says, "It is He who created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon. All the celestial bodies swim along, each in its own rounded course, elliptical path." This perfectly aligns with Kepler's first law, where the planets, including the Earth, move in elliptical orbits. This is a profound description of the orbits of the Sun and the Moon, accurately mentioned as rounded or elliptical paths. Even more striking is Surah Yasin 36:39-40, where Allah says, "And the moon we have measured for its stages in space-time, till it returns like an old dry palm branch." Neither it is possible for the sun to catch up with the moon, nor can the night outstrip the day. Each swims fast along, each in its own rounded course. This verse clearly describes the independent motions of the sun and the moon. The sun and moon cannot catch up with each other, which corresponds to the distinct, non-intersecting orbits of these celestial bodies. The reference to the moon's phases and the sun's course supports our understanding of these natural phenomena. What's truly awe-inspiring is that while humanity struggled for centuries to understand the motions of the planets, the Quran already presented a comprehensive understanding of these cosmic motions in clear, poetic terms. Over time, astronomical models like Ptolemy's epicycles and Copernicus's heliocentric theory evolved, leading to Kepler's laws. But the Quran's descriptions, such as the distinct and elliptical paths of the sun and moon, the stages of the moon, and the separation of the two bodies' courses, were far ahead of their time. These insights weren't just guesses. They were profound and accurate revelations, the divine wisdom with which our modern science aligns accurately. In conclusion, the Quran's depiction of the celestial bodies wasn't just a spiritual observation, but a scientifically accurate description of the universe. The knowledge that modern science took centuries to confirm was embedded in the Quran long ago. This serves as a powerful reminder of the timeless wisdom within the Quran, a wisdom that continues to inspire and guide us in our quest for knowledge.